Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create contact groups or mailing groups in your Gmail account or your G Suite for Education account or G Suite for Business account. Works the same way in all of them. It can be a big time saver if you're trying to send the same message to a lot of people. So here's how to do it. You would think that you would do it right from your Gmail inbox, but you don't. What you have to do is go and open a new tab and go to contacts.google.com. And then you'll see all of your contacts in there. Now, this is my dog Mason's email account, so I'm trying not to show a whole lot of email addresses here. You'll see all these labels I have over on the left-hand side. Let's say I want to create a new label, and I'm going to call it Spring 2020 Online Classes. Doesn't matter what I call it. Call it whatever you want to call it. Just remember what you call it. Okay? Now, I've created that contact group, Spring 2020. Okay? If I click on it, you'll see there's nothing in my contact group yet. So let's go in and go to my directory and look at all my contacts. And maybe I'll pull up my friend Beth. And I'm going to add her to my contacts. And then just to the right of that menu, I'll see a little more actions menu. And I can apply the label Spring 2020 Online Classes. You can see there I can add her to multiple classes if I want to, or groups if I want to. So let's close that. Let's pull up somebody else. Here's Finn. And we'll add Finn to my contacts. And again, open up that additional menu to the right and add him into the Spring 2020 online class. Now, back in my inbox in Gmail, when I go to compose a message, I can start typing Spring 2020 online classes, and it fills in all of those email addresses. Now I can just send my email like I normally would. So that's how you can create contact groups or mailing groups in your Gmail, G Suite for Education, or G Suite for Business email account. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.